everybody. I'm Felicia from Germany and I'm 20 years old. I would like to become an animator because I think this job combines all my favorite activities and fits good to my personality. I'm a very open minded person. My hobbies are playing soccer, riding horses, and I really love to sing all day long. Yeah, I also like to be in contact with other people and I love to go outside, and this is not really set to the weather. Yeah, I visited Spain a lot of times, but sadly, I never learned more than three phrases, which I really would like to change because I think it is very important to learn different languages. Well, I hope I could give you a little impression about me, and I hope we all have a good time. Adios!